In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax in QuickBooks Desktop. We'll walk through the setup process in a clear and practical way so you can start collecting and tracking sales tax properly inside QuickBooks. This setup matters because it helps make sure your invoices calculate tax correctly and that the amounts you collect are tied to the right tax agency for reporting and payment later on. To begin, go to the top menu bar and open Edit, then choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, look to the left side and select the Sales Tax option. After that, click the Company Preferences tab. This is where QuickBooks allows you to turn sales tax tracking on for your company file. For the question that asks, "Do you charge sales tax?" select Yes. Once that's enabled, go ahead and configure the reporting details shown in that section. These settings help QuickBooks understand how you want sales tax to be handled in your business records. When everything looks correct, click OK to save your changes. Next, before you create any sales tax rate, QuickBooks needs to know who the tax is being paid to. In other words, you need to create the tax agency as a vendor. To do that, go to Vendors and then choose Vendor Center. Inside the Vendor Center, click New Vendor. Enter the name of your tax agency, then click OK. This is an important part of the setup because every sales tax item you create needs to be linked to the correct agency. That connection makes your reporting cleaner and helps avoid confusion when it's time to review or pay your tax liability. Once the tax agency is in place, you can create the tax rate itself. Go to Lists and then choose Item List. In the Item List window, right-click anywhere in the list and select New. You can also click the Item button at the bottom and then choose New if you prefer. In the Type drop-down menu, select Sales Tax Item. Now enter the sales tax name, the rate percentage, and then choose the tax agency you created earlier. After that, click OK. If you collect more than one tax rate, repeat this process and create a separate sales tax item for each one. Keeping each rate separate is the best way to stay organized and ensure accuracy across different locations or tax rules. Once these items are created, your QuickBooks Desktop file is ready to use sales tax more effectively. This setup gives you a solid foundation for accurate invoicing, cleaner records, and easier tax tracking going forward.